Hey filmmakers, this is Mr. Granlund. I'm going to take you through how to do a slipstream on our superhero character. I'm going to turn off the cityscape in front and behind. Now because I did this earlier, in this shot here where I have the slipstream coming off of me, it'd be very easy to just kind of click on it, do Control D, slide it over, and then link it to parent it to this video layer right here, and that would work just fine. Well, we're not going to do that. I'm going to make a new one real quick, and we're going to start off by doing Control. We're going to get our superhero on the screen there, and we're going to do Control Y to create a new solid. It doesn't matter which color it is. We're going to use Particle Playground, so I'm going to type in Particle, take Particle Playground, drag it onto our solid, and then I'm going to adjust the cannon. So I'm going to change the color to a whitish color for the slipstream. I'm going to make the particle radius around 20 pixels big, and we're going to have the direction come out through the backside here. So I'm going to click on this second number for the direction here, and I'm going to have it spit out this way. And the position of the cannon, I'm going to click on the crosshairs there and have it kind of come out like it's coming out of my cape or something. I also have to turn down the gravity, so I'm going to go to Gravity and Force, and I'm going to turn that down to maybe about 3 there. That looks pretty good, just so it's shooting off nicely. And the velocity, I'm going to increase the velocity quite a bit. Now I'm going to apply a second effect called Fast Blur, and that's going to give this kind of a cloudy look. So I'm going to type in Fast over here on the right, look for Fast Blur, and I'm going to drag it over to the Effect Controls panel here, and I'm going to increase the blurriness. Something like that looks pretty good. It's about 72 pixels. Down in the timeline, I'm going to drag my layer down to this section, and I'm going to trim it by dragging the ends so it fits into my little shot here. So this chunk of 4 or 5 clips, this is going to be, and then I'm going to adjust the layers so that the slipstream is with that layer, my footage layer. And finally, I'm going to parent it. So I'm going to take this pick whip or spiral here. I'm going to go from my solid to super number 2. That's my footage. And now it's going to parent. It's going to be parented with it. So now I fly up, up, and away. And now I fly through the city with my slipstream. Now the nice thing about having this parented is if any change that I make to my footage layer, like for instance if I want to change the scale from 25% to 5%, you'll see that the slipstream adjusts with it. Alright, that's how you create the slipstream in After Effects.